As I said before, and I'll say it again, every day is not the same. Today, we're going to be, hopefully you can see this, we're going to be removing the rear AC and heat out of here, which should be a lot of fun. I've already been messing with it, and it just makes our bed wonky. So we figure, why not? It's a nice day out, and it's about to turn cruddy, so what we are going to do is go ahead and get started on this right here, and hopefully it ain't too big of a pain, but if it is, hey, you guys get to watch. Stick around. As you can see here, this giant eyesore pushes the bed, keeps the bed tilted up like so. So I've already removed the AC lines, and now it's time to unbolt this and try to figure out how to get it out of here. While we're at it, we're going to be trying to fix this bed. It kind of sucks. I know, it was just slapped together, but we're going to be getting that pretty soon. Stick around. Alright guys, as you can see here, I got it out. Soaked myself in antifreeze through the heater core, but it's out. Now we'll work on getting this all cleaned up. And there you have it. AC removed. At it again. And today's project is, you guessed it, the bed. Instead of like that, now we're going to be putting slats in to make it a lot more comfortable. And if we have time, we're going to be building cabinets here, across here. Well, Lee's going to try to get it framed out. Got some of the lumber, so get a look at this here. My rat's nest. Stay around, let's see what we can do. Sorry about the wind, I know it's horrible, but there it's coming along. Gotta go in and do the other side. Well, as you can see, we're making progress. Probably ain't gonna get it finished up today. Gotta go pick up Brandy and relax and movie night. But I'll get it finished here in a couple days. Alright folks, there we go. Got her all framed out. We're going to turn it in for the evening. Found 10 hours at this fireplace. With it being cold outside, we're just going to sit around and listen to the fireplace. Me and Dexter's just going to chill and wait on Brandy to get off. Say hello. He's all tuckered out. Folks, we want to thank y'all for coming along with us today. If you like the video, please smash that notification button. Hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel. But we appreciate it very much. Well, hope you guys have a blessed evening. Be classy, be cool, be yourself, be unique. Y'all stay blessed out there now and have a good evening. We'll be at you next time.